we are going to see about components. In React, we are having two types of components. One is functional components and another one is class components. In this video, we can fully see about functional component. For this, actually this is a folder structure we are having overall source. We are want to create on new components, so we can create one folder structures by clicking on here, or else you can click here, right click, and then you can create new folder and name it as components. Inside this you can create new file and name it as something like sample or something. A .js should be must. You can do like this. If you want to do for React sample functional components, you can give or f and c. This is called React functional components. You can click on this, you can get the sample syntax of this. So for this you need to install this extension for ES7 React Redux, and then those things and all. You need to install this extension React snippets. You can get this. Else every time you need to type like this. If you need to do for class components, you want to give or ce. You can get the class components for sample file. What the name you named, those things is automatically deduct as the function name or class name of it. Now we are going to see about functional components. Once this is done, you can import those things here. You can also add one extension called auto import. It automatically import those things. We are having this auto import already installed. Just you need to go here, and here you can have an install button. You can install it. Once you don't want, then you can disable it as well. For that you can give, and here I'm going to import that sample component here. I am giving this let sample. We are getting this path as well. It is coming from component slash sample. So just you need to click on this. It will auto import here, and then you can close the tag like this. Once you will save this file, is there any error, those things also will be displayed here. In here just I'm name it as a sample project something I can give. Those things will be displayed in here. I think so color is white, that's why it's not showing. We can give inline styles as of now, but inline style is not preferable. You can create one class style component, and you can style it there with the help of class names. Yeah, now this is visible. So this is called sample project, which is coming from this newly created sample file. If you want to do something here, you can give, and also if you want to pass the props, you can pass it like, you can we also having use state. Use state is one kind of hooks which we can use it to set the state and pass the state. For example, I'm using one state. I can give use state. Just I need to give const of, you can give you can pass your name like set and name. This is the normal syntax for this use state of. Use state is coming from React, so it is automatically updating here. So inside this use state you can give initial name. I'm just giving React, and wherever you need to replace this, you can call the set name, and then you can replace the values. Now you want to pass this name to there, just you can pass name equal to name, then save this. While going, you can call this as props, and then inside this project you can call the props dot. There you are passing name it as name, so you can call here as props dot name. Then those name will automatically display here. You can able to see the sample project React. If you want to replace this name, for example I'm replacing it to JavaScript and saving this, you can able to change the, you can see this here also it is changed as a JavaScript. So in this app.js you are having one state, those things you need to pass to the sub component means you can pass it as a props. Actually this is called state, while inside you are passing no, while getting here this is called props. So you can use like this. And also while on click of button you can set the name in a different manner. So those things about use state and use effect is also there. Those things we are using only in functional components. This kind of hooks is not used in class components. In there we will use some kind of life cycle methods. Yeah, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.